Welcome once again from Fine Dining Indian and Bobby. So in this recipe we're going to show you how to make a naan dough. There is no egg in it, it's pure, but it's not a vegan. We use yogurt and milk with a bit of grated beetroot, amazing pink color. It's almost like my t-shirt what I'm wearing, and then stuff it with cheese, mozzarella and cream cheese. Amazing oozy cheese when you cook it out. And this one we make it like a kulcha. We stuff it and then roll it slowly so you don't tear it open. Cook it in a pan, but if you have a tandoor access or oven, you can do straight there, so you don't have to put extra clarified butter or ghee to cook it. It's amazing, but I love it when you have a nice crust, you cook in a pan. It's amazing flavor. And then we serve it with a salad made of avocado, tomato and onions, and then a bit of yogurt to add to it to enhance the flavor and the eating experience. Amazing texture, you will love it. So follow this recipe, cook along with me, give your feedback after.
So for making the dough for a kulcha or a naan, I'm putting refined flour. You need sugar. I'm just adding a bit of brown sugar. You can use a plain one as well. Okay, and then baking powder, let's say 1 gram. I'm putting some grated beetroot, because 20 gram of yogurt, that keeps it fluffy, it ferments as well, a light fermentation. And then add salt. It's around 2 to 3 grams. Just mix everything. Now add milk, mix it. So once it's tight, and then just roll it like this. Apply a bit of oil on the top and leave it to rest for at least half an hour to 1 hour. So mozzarella will be on a higher side, 70% of mozzarella cheese and 30% of cream cheese. So cream cheese will make it moist and bit more creamy than the mozzarella. Mozzarella will give that stringy effect. Okay, mix it. And here, if you want to improvise, you can use truffle oil or chopped up truffles. So if you want to store it, you can make into equal size balls. That's good enough for stuffing your kulcha or the naan. And then either you can freeze it or you can leave in the fridge whenever you want to make it. So for making the beetroot cheese naan or a kulcha we can call, since it's made in the pan, or you can make in the tandoor. So the dough is rested, take it out, press the base with a bit of flour, and now I'm going to divide it into 5 balls. Yeah, good enough. And then roll it and keep it for resting again, like this. Press it down, then turn it, tuck all the ends inside, just roll it like this, join it, roll it tightly. Okay, that's good. Leave it for, you can apply a bit of oil or a damp cloth you can put, and then leave it there for 15 minutes. So once the dough ball is ready, now we can stuff it in. So make sure you can check now one of our aloo paratha videos, so it shows clearly how we going to fill it up. Basically like a potli or like a parcel, you make it and then you cover it, you fill it up and then cover it. So like this, you can just pull it down. Keep this side a bit thick, so when you roll it, it doesn't get thinner on that side and then it can break the dough. So I don't want to happen that. Then take out the cheese, put it in the middle, then close it from all the sides. Bring it together like you do for the parcel. You just roll it. Ensure you close it here tightly without any opening. Dust with a bit of flour, leave it on the side, and you can continue with the other ones. Alright, so now we can roll it. Touch of flour, press it down slowly, ensure it doesn't open up. Now use a rolling pin very slowly press and roll, press and roll. Apply ghee or melted butter. Then the open, if it's open, it's fine. You put it that upside down. Just press a bit. Apply clarified butter on the top before you turn it. Turn the side. Now you can increase the heat. Apply more clarified butter on the other side. Now check the other side if it's getting color. Now it's golden brown color. A bit more and turn it again. Start getting puffing up. That means it's cooking from in the inside. The cheese is melting. The moisture from the inside is giving that puffing up effect. It's similar like the puri that puffed up, because the moisture gives the air and then that's making this puffing up effect. Same thing with the bread making, anything. The moisture gives the volume. You can see it's puffed up nicely. Now it's ready. You can take it on a plate and then keep it ready for the plating. Turn it. It's getting nice color. I'm going to cut it into wedges. The cheese is coming, the melting. You can see it's gooey already. See that? So for plating, arrange the kulcha on a plate like this. Brush with a touch of clarified butter or the ghee. Now put some cream cheese. And the avocado salad, just place it here and there. Now place some coriander sprigs. So that's good enough.
Okay, so thank you. I hope you enjoyed cooking the beetroot kulcha or the beetroot naan. Beetroot along with the cheese stuffed inside with the nice avocado salad. Hope you enjoyed it. Taste it. Let me know your feedback. Surprise this with your friends, just give it throw it as a surprise element. It'll be amazing. So subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon so you can see all our videos coming through. So enjoy, keep watching us.